Today I show you how to open a can of soda with one hand. This is a can of Pepsi and you should really drink water, not soda, but I'll just show you this in case you need to open with one hand. I will only use one finger to open this. I will not hold the can with one hand and open it with the other one. And this is the pull tab. So normally you hold it with one hand and then pull it with the other hand. Okay, so you hold the soda can with one hand and you hold it like this and then put your finger under here. And I have no nails here really, so this might be a tricky part, but put it just a little bit, just enough to make some space out of it. And once you did that, it's done. So now you can drink it. Should really be careful with the splashes. But that's it. This is how you open a soda can with one hand and one finger actually. Thanks for watching. Hope there's no Pepsi on my camera. Okay.